Hi friends, Sean Leonard here. We have a good one today. A 2,700 square foot single level home. And the great thing, it has a pool. It is 3-car garage, 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. So out the front of it, and then you can kind of see down the street. All right guys, let's go tour this house. Again, 3-car garage. It's single level, 2,700 square foot. It's a 2004. Let's see here, come in. Now, back then they did enjoy the big family room entrance area. So when you come in, you can kind of see you have this large formal living, formal dining area here. It did 2 shutters. It has large tile throughout. And then when you come in, you have the kitchen, family room, very large, great room, kind of connects into that other section. Look how big this is. Very large. Here, several pretty cool chandeliers. See how big it is from this side too. Here it is. Kitchen. So you've got the dark cabinets, very nice countertops. As you can see here. Good amount of cupboard space. Again, very large overall room. Now, this house has a hallway that runs behind the kitchen and around to all the bedrooms except for the primary. So you do have a laundry right here with cupboards in the laundry. So that's nice. You got cabinets in the laundry. So first bedroom, I would say okay size, not huge, but not super small. Does have fans. That's the nice thing with homes that are not new builds. They usually will have fans and everything for you. Okay, so there are cabinets in the garage, so they did install some cabinets. And again, 3-car garage, even some shelving here. So a good amount of cabinets and cupboards around the house. Okay, so there's 1 bedroom down. Then we've got this little area here. I've seen people actually make an office in this little corner in the hallway or different things with it. This room feels a little bigger. Bathroom, nice countertops. And then your 3rd bedroom in the back. Let's go check out the primary. I feel like it's pretty good size. You do have a door to the outside where the pool's at from here. Pretty high ceilings in the primary also. You have tub and shower. And then in the closet, they have put cupboards and cabinets and different things in the closet and shelving. So a little bit more additional room than you'd get in a traditional closet. So that makes it nice. Let's check out this backyard. This backyard is really nice. All right, so first off, coming out the door, you have a enclosed Arizona room. So you have a little enclosed Arizona room here. And then coming outside, you have pool. That's not all. All right. Show you the pool in a better angle here in a second. So first off, so you have the pool, you have a gazebo with the raised area. So you have that area, you have more covered patio over here, and then you have another covered area over here with a barbecue and like a little bar area. So that way you can have cookouts. Nice, a lot of outdoor areas for here as you can see, and then the gazebo. Very nice outdoor area. So if you like outdoor living, this is the property for you. Well, thank you for taking a tour of this great house with me. If you have any questions about this house or any other house here in Casa Grande, please let me know. My name is Sean Leonard. I'm with Housing Around AZ, part of Realty One Group.